Well, here's the thing that I was worried about. I turned the light on, I pushed the button, and nothing's happening. I had to jerry-rig the light switch, cut those little wires, and I just decided everything would go positive to negative, white, positive, black, negative. I think the problem is either in the old switch right here, or this thing right here, which goes to the power source of the fan. And only Slim Potato Head would know what to do about that, because I don't. There's always something. And I have to go and put the millimeter plastic against the bay windows, sliders, and that'll have to wait until tomorrow because I am out of ideas. Okay.